everyone. We already completed 2 sessions related to the number system. We'll start a third topic related to the number system is finding the units place value. Finding the units place value in the given expression. So that is the today's topic. Okay, see, if we want to units place means, for example, the definition of these units place, if any expression divisible by 10, whatever the remainder we left, that is defined as units place value. For example, 87 divisible by 10. If 87 is divisible by 10, we left with a remainder is 7. These remainder I can call as a units place position. But don't go with a divisible type of calculations. Focus on direct calculations in the units, finding the units place value. For example, here question number 1. 39 plus 46 plus 31 is exactly equal to how much? We want only units place. Don't go with the entire resultant. Focus on units place of every given number. Here 9, 6, 1. We need to add these numbers only. Here 9 plus 6, the resultant is a 5. Don't go with a 15. Just focus on units place, that is a 5. And 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. For the entire addition, we get 6 is a units place value. Clear? And second one, for example, 334 into 489 is exactly equal to how much of units place. So they given as a resultant in terms of multiplication. So don't multiply these entire 3 digit into the 3 digit. First, focus on the units place. For these number is 4. Here the number is equal to 9. So multiply these two numbers only. So 9 4s are 36. 36 means we get 6 is the units place resultant of this particular product. For example, third one, 889 plus 444 minus 331. Just go 338 for example. Okay, just they given as the addition resultant, then we can subtract this number. Again, focus on these value. Here 9, here 4, the units place resultant is equal to 3. And from these 3, we can subtract 8. We already know that if we go with the subtracted, we require this is the higher value. That's why these value I just consider as 13. So we already know that we should carry forward the number from previous digits. That's why I can consider these number is equal to 13. And 13 minus 8, the resultant is equal to 5. If you get 5 as a resultant from entire these expression, the units place position occupy with a 5 is a number. Clear? Okay. For this type of expression, what is the units place? Okay. If it is a larger expression, whatever the expression given, focus on the units place only. Here units place 7, 3, 1 and 2. Just pick these numbers and we need to multiply these all the units place value. 7 3s are 21, units place is a 1. Again 1 1s are 1, units place is a 1. 1 2s are 2, the units place is equal to 2 only. Plus, same thing, focus on these number. 7 5s are always 35, units place is a 5. And 5 2s are 0. We required only units place. And 0 into 6 0 and 0 into 2 0. We get final units place of these entire expression is equal to 2 only. Clear? Okay, next one, see. So this is the resultant and we need to subtract these particular resultant into these one. Okay, first focus on these expression. Pick all the units place positions here. 4 2s are 8. 8 7s are 56, 6 as a resultant. And 6 3s are 8. Again we get the resultant is 8. Plus, again focus on these number. 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Means we required only 4 is a resultant of units place. And these sum of these expression can subtracted from these resultant. Again pick a units place. Here they given as a 3, here they given as a 3. 3 3s are, we get a resultant is equal to 9. Okay, then see. Again the sum of these numbers 8 plus 4, the resultant units place is equal to 3. And I can subtract it from 9. We have a doubt. Sir, if you subtracted 3 minus 9, we get a negative resultant. But how we are getting a units place? In that case, we can carry forward the number from previous number. If you carry forward with the previous number, definitely we can get 1 as a carry forward from previous number. That's why you can subtracted 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 exactly equal to 4. For the entire expression, the units place position is equal to 4 only. Okay. For second model of questions related to the finding the units place position, that is based on power values. See, what are the power values? See, if we consider as this particular sheet, for example, we know that 1 power 1 value always be the 1, and 1 square, the value 1, 1 power anything, the units place position always be the 1. Okay, for example, here question number 1, I just go to 331 whole power 448. What is the units place? This is the expression given. Okay, just focus on the units place. Here units place is equal to 1. 1 power anything, whatever the power in the position of number, the units place always be the 1 only. So this is the simple expression. If 1 power any value, the units place position always indicated as a 1. Then move on to the second one. If 2 power 1 value is equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4, and 2 cube is equal to 8, and 2 power 4 is equal to 16. If it is a difficult, for example, 2 power 1, 2, then focus on multiply these two numbers. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, again 2 6s are 12. So up just identify the units place. Again 2 2s are 4, again 2 4s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. Focus on the units place. I am not focused on any resultant values. Clear? Then see, for these entire particular sheet, 2486, 2486 means 4 digits which are repeated every time in the 2 power cyclic. Then see, means only 4 values which are repeated, those values are 2, 4 and 8, 6. For example, question number 2. 2 power 39, what is the resultant we get? Means what is the units place position? See, we require 39th value. We know that 4 values are repeated every time. That's why the power values which is divisible by 4. If any number which is divisible by 4, we get reminders. We get reminder 1, we get reminder 2, we get reminder 3, we get reminder 0. We never get 4 as a reminder. Instead of 4 reminder, we get a 0. That's why if you get any power value divisible by 4, if you get reminder 1, we consider first value be the repeated answer. And reminder 2, the value be the second one. If you get reminder 3, the answer is third variable. If we get 0 as a reminder, we get fourth value be the repeated value. Okay, for this question, 39, just go with the 39. 39 which is divisible by 2. Sorry, total we have a 4 repeated value. 39 which is divisible by 4. If 39 is divisible by 4, we get reminder. Just check with what is the reminder we get. We already know that 4 9s are 36. We get reminder be the 3. If we get reminder be the 3, not 3 as answer. If you get 3 as a reminder, third variable means third repeated value be the answer. Just see, what is the third variable here? 8 means 2 power 39. The units place value is equal to 8. This is the important concept. For the 2 cyclic, we have a 4 repeated value. If we get 4 repeated value, that power value is divisible by 4. If power value is divisible by 4, we get a 4 chances of reminders. If we get 1 as a reminder, consider first value as a repeated. And if you get second reminder, second value. Third reminder, third value. And 0 reminder, consider fourth value. Clear, hope? Okay. Next, see the entire cyclic. See here. If you go with a 3 power 1, 3 power 1 value is equal to 3. Again, 3 square is equal to 9. 3 cube 27 means that is the value of 7. And just focus on 7 3s are 21. So just simply multiply these number with these one. Again 1 3s are 3 and again 3 3s are 9. Again 9 3s are 27 and 7 3s are 21. Again see 3971 is the repeated value. Means 3 power cyclic also get a 4 repeated cyclic values. Okay. Focus on the fourth one. 4 power 1 is equal to 4. 4 square is a 16. 4 cube is a 64. Means again 4 is a repeated value. It means fourth repeated cyclic can get only 2 repeated value. Those 2 repeated values are 4 and 6 only. And focus on the 5. Focus on the 5 means 5 power 1, the value is equal to 5. 5 square, again 5. 5 cube, again 5. It means if it is a 5 is the power cyclic, the units place does not changes. The value is related to 5 only. If 5 power anything is a 5 only. And focus on the 6 value here. 6 power 1 is equal to 6. 6 square, 36. 6 cube, 216. It means if 6 power any value is given, the units place always be the 6 only. So the value is does not change in the units place. Okay, focus on 7 here. Okay, 7 power 1, 7 square, 49, and we know that 7 cube, 343, that is the 3. We don't know that 7 power 4. Then simply see, 7 7 ja 49, 9 7 ja 63, 3 7 ja 21. If you get 1 as the final resultant, again the repeated values are only those 4 numbers only. What are the 4 numbers? 7, 9, 3, 1. Okay, then see, 8th one, just see this 8th cycle. 8 power 1 is equal to 8. 8 square, 64. And we don't know that, we know that 8 cube is equal to 512. And we don't know that 8 power 4. If we don't know the 8 power 4, these numbers should multiply with 8. 8 2s are 6 only. Again, 6 8s are 4, again 6 8s are 48, means 8 4 2 6. Again, those 4 values are repeated values only. Clear? Just see the 9th one. So 9 power 1 is equal to 9. And 9 square is a 81. If you get final value with the 1, those previous values are repeated again. Means 9 power cyclic is the repeated value of 9 1, 9 1, 9 1 and 9 1. If we get 0 power anything always be the 0 only. So these are the entire power cyclic systems. Then just see, if 1 power anything is a 1, so the values are same for any power values. And 2 can be repeated 4 values, 3 can be repeated 4 values, and 4 power even, see, 4 power even is a 6, 4 power odd is equal to 4. 5 power anything 5, 6 power anything 6, and 7 can be repeated 4 cyclic value, that is 7, 9, 3, 1, and 8 can be again 4 repeated value. 9 power odd, the units place is equal to 9, and 9 power even, it is units place is equal to 1. So these are the values of power cycle. Again see, if it is a 4 repeated value, we need to divide power value into the 4. If you get 0 as a reminder, consider 4th repeated value. If you get 1 as a reminder, we get first value. Reminder 2, second value. Reminder 3, third value only. Just observe these power cyclic value. Okay, see, first question. If 52 power 97, 43 power 72, what is the units place? Okay, just see. Here the units place is equal to 2, units place is equal to 3. Just recollect the information for power cyclic. 2 can be repeated 4 value, 3 can be repeated 4 value. If 4 values are repeated, then power value which is divisible by 4. So concentrated on power values. 97 which is divisible by 4. Again from these value, 72 which is divisible by 4. See, if 97 which is divisible by 4, we get a how much of remainder? Just take the remainder. And we know that 97 divisible by 4, we get a remainder 1. If you get remainder be the 1, the first value be the repeated value. See, what is the first value in the 2? The answer is equal to 2 only. And second one, if 72 divisible by 4, if 72 divisible by 4, it is exactly cancelled. We get resultant is equal, remainder is a 0. So 72, 4 is exact cancellation. And if you get 0 as a resultant, I clearly mentioned that if you get 0 as a resultant, we consider 4th variable. See, 3 power cyclic 4th value with the 1. So here the units place is equal to 1. We need to find the product. 2 into 1. 2 into 1, the units place is equal to 2 only. So the answer is equal to 2. Okay, just see the second question. If 55 power 75 into 93 power 175 into 107 power 275. Find the units place. Okay, first we know that if 5 power any value of in the power, always the units place is equal to 5. It does not changes. Why? Because 5 power cyclic consisting of only 5 as the units place. Then focus on 3. We know that 3 can be repeated with 4 cyclics. See, 4 cyclics, those are 3, 9, 7 and 1. But what is the power value here? 175. don't consider 175. Whatever the power value given, don't consider the entire number. We know that if 3 is considered for 4 repeated value means V divisible by 4. We already know that for divisible by 4 rule, we need to pick a last 2 digits. See, just pick a last 2 digits. What is the last 2 digits here? 75. If 75, which is divisible by 4, we get remainder is equal to 3. Just pick a 75, last 2 digits of divisible by 4 rule. If 75 divisible by 4, we get a remainder 3. If we get remainder as a 3 means third answer be the units place position. What is the third value here? Into 7. Again, multiply with, again last value 107, 2 power 7, 275. Take it as a 7 power cyclic. 7 power cyclic, again 4 repeated value. 4 repeated value means divisible by 4 rule. Divisible by 4 rule means we need to pick a last 2 digits. Last 2 digits again 75 by 4. 75 by 4. 4 18s are 72. We get a remainder is 3. If we get 3 as a remainder, third is the repeated number. So third number here. What is the third number here? 3. So answer here by the 3. If your 5 is multiple with any odd number, we know that 3 is an odd number and 7 is an odd number. If 5 is a multiple with an even number, we get 0 as the units place. If 5 is a multiple with an odd number, we get the units place position is equal to 5 only. So this is the answer part. And just go with the third question. They given for 82 power 43, 83 power 44, 84, 97, so on. If you multiple with all these particular expressions, what is the units place can occur? So that is the question. Options are 2, 6, 4, 8. Okay, same way. Go with a fast calculation. They given for 82 whole power 43 means 2 power 43. 2 we have a 4 repeated values. If 2 has a 4 repeated value means the expression means the power value which is divisible by 4. See, 43 divisible by 4. 3 as a remainder. If you get 3 as a remainder, third variable. What is the third variable? 8. So we get the first number is units place is a 8 into. Again we consider for 3. We already know that 3 has a 4 repeated value. So 4 values are repeated. 4 values are repeated means the power value is divisible by 4. We know that 44 divisible by 4. 44 divisible by 4 means we get 0 as a resultant. If we get 0 as a resultant, the last number is a repeated value. That's why here be the 1. Next, 84. We know that 84 means 4th power cyclic and repeated 2 values. Just focus on. If 4 power odd, we get 4 as a units place. 4 power even, we get a 6 as a resultant units place. Then see, if 4 power 97, definitely 97 as a odd number. If 97 as a odd number, every odd number power should be repeated value of 4 only. Next number, 86. 6 power anything, the value does not change, the units place always be the 6 only. Again for focus on 87. See, 87 we have a 4 repeated value. If 4 repeated value means the power value which is divisible by 4. We don't consider under 105. We know that divisible by 4 rule says we need to pick a last 2 digits. What is the last 2 digits here? 105. 105 last 2 digits are 05. 05 divisible by 4. 05 divisible by 4. We get a remainder is a 1. If you get remainder is a 1, first repeated value be the consider in the 7th power cyclic. Here the value is equal to 7. And last value, 88 whole power 94. 88 means again we have a 4 repeated value. If 94 which is divisible by 4, 94 is divisible by 4, we get 2 as a remainder. If we get 2 as a remainder, second value we consider. What is the second value here? 4. So we got every units place in the above expression. And finally we just go the product of these entire numbers. See, 8 4s are 32, we get a 2. And 2 6s are 2, we get a 2. And 2 7s are 4, 4 as the units place. And 4 4s are 6. The units place of these expression is equal to 6 only. So the answer is equal to 6. Next, and one more question. 89 power 17,893, 66 power 899, and 232 power 12,345. Find the units place position. Then see, we know that 9 can be repeated only 2 values. So 9 repeated values are 9 power odd is a 9, 9 power even is equal to 1. See that if 9 power, identify that whether it is a even or odd. If units place is 3, definitely this is the odd. odd number. Then see, if 9 power odd expression, the units place is equal to 9. We get the units place is a 9 into. If 6 power anything, the units place always be the 6 only. And he given for 232, 12,345. See, 2, we have a 4 repeated values. And if 4 repeated value means the power value which is divisible by 4. So don't consider enter 12,345. It's a time waste. If 4 repeated value means the power which is divisible by 4. The power which is divisible by 4 means we need to pick a only last 2 digits. The last 2 digits are 45. If 45 divisible by 4, we get remainder is the 1. If we get 1 as the remainder, we consider first value. So 2 power first value always be the 2 only. Then go with the entire product here. 9 2s are 18, 8 is a resultant, and 8 6 are 48. We get the units place of these expression is equal to 8. See the entire values of power and check it out how many repeated values are there. See, if it is a 4 repeated value, we go with the divisible by 4 rule for power value. Clear? Next, third model, finding the units place in the in this question. Third model related for factorial concept. If power value is given in terms of factorial, how we are solving? First, see, we know that 1 factorial is equal to 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial is equal to 6, 4 factorial 24, and 5 factorial 120, and 6 factorial is a 720. Then see, we know that every factorial, the final resultant, see, except 1 factorial, each and every resultant is even, means the factorial resultant always be the even number. That is the information number 1. Second information, if the question is given for more than 4 factorial, if more than 4 factorial is given, definitely the number is always divisible by 4. See, just for example, I will go to one more example here. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, means definitely there is a number 4. If 4 is a multiple of these particular resultant, these entire number is always divisible by 4. If these number is divisible by 4, we get remainder is 0. It means I will give the direct information for these power values. If in the given question, if the power value is greater than 4 factorial, the number is always divisible by 4. If any number which is divisible by 4, we get the remainder is 0. If we get 0 as the remainder, the repeated value is always be the last value, means fourth value is always be the repeated value. So this is the important information. In the power values greater than any 4 factorial is given, it is exactly divisible by 4. If it is exactly divisible by 4, it means we get the remainder is 0. If we get 0 as a remainder, so definitely the last value means fourth value be the answer. See, let's see what are the different questions are in these type of factorial concept. Yeah. Okay, just see this question. 973, this is the number of 234 factorial, and 234 whole power 973 factorial. We don't know that what is the value for 234 factorial, but we know the concept. If any value is greater than 4 factorial, the number which is always divisible by 4. If the number which is divisible by 4, we get 0 as a remainder. If we get 0 as a remainder, definitely the last variable is the repeated value. Then see, we know that this is the remainder 0. Remainder 0 for this question. This is also for remainder 0. Remainder 0 means fourth value will be the answer. See, third power cyclic, the fourth value is equal to 1. And fourth cyclic, we have a 4 and 6. 4 and 6. I clearly mentioned that any factorial always be the even. If it is a even number, we get the resultant is equal to 6 only. Clear? So the answer 1 into 6, the units place position is equal to 6 only. Okay, just see the second question. So this is the 123 factorial, 124 factorial and 124 factorial. I mentioned that if any greater than 4 factorial, always fourth value be the repeated value. Here see, 2 as the 2 power cyclic fourth value is equal to 6. into 3 power cyclic, fourth value is equal to 1. And 4, if it is a 4, we have a 2 values are repeated, odd position and even position. I mentioned that if any factorial, the factorial resultant always be the even resultant. Means 4 power even means 4 power square. 4 square value become a 6. We get the resultant is equal to 6. The final value 6 into 1 into 6. We get the final units place is a 6 only. Next question. Find the units place of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to 100 factorial. We know that 1 factorial value is equal to 1 and 2 factorial value is equal to 2. 3 factorial is a 6 and 4 factorial is equal to 24 and 5 factorial is equal to 0, 120. Just see, if 5 factorial is equal to units place 0, 6 factorial means 6 into 5 factorial definitely. And if 6 into 5 factorial units place is equal to 0, 6 into 0, again we get units place is equal to 0. It means, see, if greater than or equal to 5 factorial, if any number given for greater than or equal to 5 factorial, the units place always be the 0 only. For the entire number, we get 0 for till 100 factorial. Then see, if we add all these numbers, 6 plus 4, we get again units place is a 0 and 2 plus 1, the units place is equal to 3 only. This is the answer. Just see, these are the different questions we are getting from units, finding the units place value. Clear? So, thank you.